Good morning, everyone. Today we are up bright and early. We are heading to a local, like a cars and coffee event, but it's called Caffeine and Gasoline. I guess it's called like a gas and octane or something like that. But yeah, so put the coffee down here. Let's open up the shop. All right, so yeah, this show's pretty cool. It's a toy drive. The entry fee for the show is a brand new toy, and for the kids. And we are giving away, for anyone that brings a toy, we're gonna have a drawing. We're giving away $50 gift cards. So that's part of our sponsorship through our shop, Hub City Hot Rods. So let's get out there. The show starts at 7:30. It's about 7 o'clock in the morning. It's a little foggy, a little gloomy, but that's okay. We're gonna be taking the Mustang out there. We're gonna let the big blocks sleep in this morning. So the big blocks are lazy in the mornings. They don't like to get up, so we're gonna leave them here. So let's go. This time around, we are taking the drone. Had it charging last night. So, yep, let's get out there. Today, you guys are gonna be riding along on a bullet point mount. Bullet Point makes some very cool mounts. This one is very simple. Suction cup, carbon fiber bar, and then your phone mount that will even take a Pro Max. No, this is not a paid advertisement, but I think Bullet Point makes some very cool mounts. I did order another one that has a shorter bar, and then another one that's just without the bar, just has 2 attachments. And then I ordered another one that has a GoPro mount. I wouldn't trust the suction cup for outside the car, like a GoPro, but for inside the car shooting, it's actually pretty cool. Very simple to use, very easy to use. It rotates any which way you want. I mean, 360 degrees. You know, on the GoPros, when you set them up, they always end up in the wrong place, and you're trying to turn the suction cup around and trying to set it up right. These Bullet Points are really cool. You can put the GoPro, the camera, you can put it wherever you want. So that's where you guys are going to be riding today. Man, the 5.0 Mustang is running really well. Ever since that run we did to the island last week, I gave it a couple of hard runs, and I guess it cleaned out the pipes, and it's running really, really well. It's idling nicely. It's running really nice. So here we go. See where they let us park this morning. Already about maybe 10 cars here. Last time we did this, we had close to 100 cars show up, including some exotics, some Lambos and whatnot. So yeah, let's see what shows up. We'll put the drone up in the air, get some shots before and after, before the show starts and after the show is going on. So here we go. right, guys, that was it. Hope you guys enjoyed the drone footage. Overall, a real good show. Had about a little over 80 cars show up, despite the drizzle and the weather. We still had a good amount of cars show up. So again, thanks a lot for watching. Thanks a lot for subscribing. We'll see you guys on the next video.